Hello everyone, I am your host Gaurav and you are watching Learn and Understand Tickle Programming, and in this episode I'll be taking you to an overview of what Tickle is, and you can say it's about a little bit details of the Tickle. From the last episode, from the previous episode, I'll be going into the much more details, or you can say a comparative better or and clearer view of Tickle family. So let's dig deep into it. Tickle, as I mentioned earlier, is a tool command language, abbreviated as tool command language, and John Outer Hot of University of California, Berkeley designed the Tickle programming language. So it's a now official programming language that everyone uses. So Tickle was developed initially for Unix. It was then ported to Windows, DOS, OS2, and Mac OS X. Then Tickle is since Tickle is much similar to other Unix shell language like Bourne shell and C shell, Corn shell, and Perl. So it has been integrated in a much wider sense, and people started using it in a wide variation. But it is not very much in depth like that of other shell. It is not in much details. The aim at providing ability for programs to interact with other programs and also for acting as an embedded interpreter is what Tickle do. Even though the original aim was to enable program to interact, you can find full-fledged applications can be written using this Tickle. So it's quite advantageous. So what are the basic characteristics that Tickle provides? It reduces the time for development. It's too much powerful yet simple with the UI kit, user interface kit, when integrated with Tickle TK. So it's quite amazing, and it has a broad sense of capabilities. Write once and run anywhere is another important feature. You can run a single Tickle code in any platform. It's platform independent basically. Easy to start working for experienced as well as new programmers. Easy to learn basically. Easily extendable with other existing Tickle applications. It can also be extended with other, or you can say integrated with other programming languages like C++, Java, and vice versa. You can also use that C++ based thing with Tickle. It also provides powerful set of networking functionalities. So networking can be also covered. Network based programming can also be covered using Tickle. It's an open source free one and can be implemented for commercial applications without much limitations. So it's overall a very much advantageous language. So where can Tickle be applied? Power pack performance for web servers are usually backed by Tickle. Database of large and scalable websites are designed using Tickle. For creating GUI applications, desktop GUI applications, you can use Tickle. For creating CGI based websites, you can use Tickle. For developing embedded applications, Tickle is always there. For developing and designing firmware and VLSI design, oh, Tickle is obviously there. So that's all for this episode. You've learned about the characteristics and features, where you can used, where it can be used, and how it is advantageous, why it is used so popularly, and how it is, why it is getting, this language is getting so popular, is you can see from these slides only. So anyways, thanks, and I'll grab you in the next episode. Bye bye.